students, I welcome you all to RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is the freedom struggle. Earlier we discussed about the first war of independence. Okay, the first attempt which was attempted by the Indians to get freedom. And now we are proceeding that topic. Now we are going to another topic, that is freedom struggle. It is chapter number 17 for class 5. Now you know that first war of independence, about this topic we have discussed earlier. And why this war of independence, why this war was failed, why was it proved failed? Why? Because of the lacking of unity. Okay, because of the lacking of the unity, कि एक साथ नहीं थे लोग, they all were scattered. Okay, they all were scattered, they were not in a unit, they were not working in a unit. But after that we know that was failed, but at least that war, that moment sow a seed of that awake the nationalism in the heart of the people of India. What is the nationalism mean? For our nation, for our country, do something for our country, why we are the slaves of the Britishers. So that moment sowed a seed of nationalism in the people of our country, and after that they started making or forming associations and organizations. Okay, why? To fight for the rights of their own towards the Britishers. So first of all, INC, Indian National Congress. What was the first organization? That was INC in 1885. INC means Indian National Congress, was formed in 1885 by A.O. Hume, Octavian Hume. So A.O. Hume. And this was started by A.O. Hume in 1885 to deal with the problems of the people, what they were having for the against the Britishers. जो भी उनकी problems थी उनको sort out किया जाए. For that purpose it was built. And the leaders from all over the country were included in this party or in this organization to solve the problems of people. And after that, what did they do? This organization started to put the demands of the people towards before the Britishers. Okay, the Britishers. Now what were their demands? What are the demands they were putting before Britishers? They were appoint Indians on high positions. Obviously, if only Britishers are on the high position and there will be only the government of Britishers only, then should or will they think for the Indians, for the Indians' welfareness? No, never, not at all. Okay, so they put demands that they will appoint Indians on high position. This is our demand. You have to appoint Indians. And the next, end discrimination. And discrimination between the Britishers and the Indians. If you are doing this, they were putting their demands before the Britishers through this organization. Okay. Then that INC, according to INC, after that the people who were united, they divided into two groups. First was moderate and second were radicals. First were moderate. Moderate mean persuading, by persuading. Okay, उनको आराम से मनाना Britishers को कि these are our demands and you have to fulfill this. By persuading they were doing their work. But what are the leaders, which are the leaders in moderates? मीन आराम से प्यार से बात करके अपनी बात समझाना, उनके आगे अपनी डिमांड रखना. So in moderates, Dadabhai Naroji, Surendra Nath Banerjee and Gopal Krishna Gokhale were there. But this party got nothing. It was failed. But there were another group also, and that was radicals. Radicals mean किसी भी तरह करके मीन अपनी डिमांड्स रखनी है उन्हें, whether they are boycotting them, mean they are refusing to use their things which were made by the Britishers, they are refusing their educations, they are refusing to go into their schools, they are not purchasing their material, mean everything they were boycotting to get their rights, and I think this is not wrong. So radicals, they were Lal, Bal and Pal. What is the meaning? Lal means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pal Vipin Chandra Pal. So Lal, Bal, Pal, they were the leaders of radicals. They were known as radicals, and they used radical measures. Obviously, boycott karna, जाने से मना करना, everything they could do, they did. So what did they demand? They demanded Swaraj. Swaraj means self-government. कि हम Indians की भी government बने. We want our own government. They are not even appointing the Indians on high position. Then how can they rule? How can they get their rights? How will they get their rights? So that's why they demanded Swaraj means self-government. We want our self-government. If they are persuading them, then obviously they will not do agree with this. They will not get agree with this. Then obviously if they are using radicals measures, then obviously there will be some intimidation. I mean, we can say there will be some fear also that they are doing this, or what will happen if they are not getting. I mean, maximum of the Indians are living there and some of the Europeans were living there. So that if Indians will not purchase, if Indians don't purchase, then who will purchase? They will get in loss. They will go in loss. So that's why after that, what did they do to, I mean, for their demands? They boycott English clothes and promoted the Indian clothes like sari, suit, salwar, and rejected English schools and promoted Indian education. Maximum Indians, and then obviously they will follow, they will promote the which education? Indian education, and they rejected English schools. And after that, there is a bright name, we can say, that is of Mahatma Gandhi, and he played an important role in the freedom struggle. He played an important role for getting the freedom from the slavery of the Britishers. I hope this topic is clear to you all.